everybody, welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen, and today I have broke out my brand new Presto Dehydrator. I am so excited about this. After the recommendation from Amy at Broussard Homestead, we went out and we got us a Presto because we had wanted one for a really long time. And for the first time, we are going to make beef jerky. Now, I went to our local grocery store today and picked up some meat that was already seasoned. And I went and asked them, I said, would you slice it for us? And most of the time, they have no problem doing that. And Papa didn't know they would do that for you. And actually they will. Most of the time they don't care. I bought these extra little sheets. This didn't come with it, but they're just some non-sticking sheets. So I'm gonna put those on there. And the guy, I told him what I was gonna do, and he sliced this right up. This meat has already been seasoned. And I thought, you know, I bet that would make a really good beef jerky. Now, everything I have read on beef jerky, you don't want your meat to touch in any way. You just want everything in a single layer. This meat was on sale, and it looked like good beef jerky meat. So this is what we're gonna go with. This is my first attempt at making beef jerky. So okay, then we're gonna put another layer on. So far we have made banana chips and apple chips, and we absolutely love them. And I may have more meat than I have trays here, and if I do, that's okay. I'll throw it in the freezer, and then I'll thaw it back out when we get ready to make another round. So, because you don't want to crowd your meat at all. Now, on the Presto instructions, it says you want this to go from 4 to 8 hours, depending on how long your meat takes. So we'll check this again in 4 hours, and we'll just see. This little Presto was inexpensive. It was $40. And so far, we've really enjoyed it. It did the banana chips just fine. It did the apple chips just fine. And we did some oranges that I'm gonna use to make soap with. So, and that was one of the main things I wanted, because I'm fixing to get into soap making, that I'm going to be dehydrating a lot of tomatoes and herbs and stuff that I do in my little garden. I think I'm going to be able to get it all on here. I'm excited. See? And this compacts down really well for easy storage. So I'm really excited about that as well. I'm going to be able to get most of this meat on here, if not all of it. And this package of meat only cost me $11. So if you think about how much you spend for beef jerky at the store, this is really inexpensive. All right. I've got a couple little pieces left over here. I think that's all I'm going to try to get on because I really don't want to overcrowd this. Maybe get one more right there. Okay, so you put your lid on and then you plug it in. And this is really loud. I mean, it's not crazy, and to me, you get used to the noise and you kind of can tune it out. I have heard that beef jerky can get pungent when you're making it. A lot of people say they do it outside. Obviously, we live in an apartment, so that makes it a little bit harder. So we're going to be opening up windows, and I would aerate your house when you do it. Now, with the apples and stuff, it didn't bother us. So, but anyway, so I'm going to plug this in so you can hear how loud it is. But we will come back in 4 hours and we'll check it. So we'll be right back. So that's about how loud it is. Go about your day. We'll see y'all back here in just a little bit. Okay, welcome back, guys. This has gone for almost 6 hours, and we have beef jerky. Let me show you what we got here. This has cooked up beautifully, and let me tell you what, it didn't smoke up the house at all. I was really impressed. There wasn't a big odor, so I would say that little myth has been broke. I didn't have a problem at all. So we're gonna check all the layers here. Bent well. I would say we have beef jerky success. If you haven't invested in a dehydrator, go pick you one up. I mean, these little $40 Presto beef jerky makers are not expensive at all. I mean, you know, we live on a very tight budget, and we were able to afford this. So, and these things clean up in the dishwasher. So I'll just throw these trays in our dishwasher and it cleans up really well. So anyway, that's all I've got today. Don't forget.
Show them the ghee.
Oh, thank you. Oh, hold on just a second. I wanted to show y'all, because we didn't get to show you the final product of the ghee last night. This is how the ghee's set up. It's set up wonderfully. We've been using it. I will definitely keep making the ghee. Loved it. Don't forget about our giveaway tomorrow night in our live 6:30. I'm so excited to share that with y'all. Thank y'all so much. We appreciate your support so much. Until the next video, guys, God bless.
From a distance you can tell